Chicken and waffle Monday. I had smoothies all fucking weekend. Oh, but not today. I got a big week coming up. And a cup of tea. Don't worry. These pictures are on my story. Good morning, everyone. Yeah. Yes, I smack. So fucking what? I never buy these kind of potatoes, but my new house girl did. I said, fuck it, I ain't got to peel nothing. I said, why go get chicken and waffles when I can make them myself better than any place I would ever go. Now, y'all know I had some other chicken the other day. I cooked for my daughter, I think it was Wednesday or Thursday. So I had a pack of chicken left over. And I don't do the refreeze. Once it's been unthawed, I don't refreeze it. So, I tried it this morning. I had smoothies all weekend. I had beet and raspberry and almond milk and spinach smoothie on Saturday, and yesterday morning I had kiwi and avocado and shit. Oh, but not today. Today I'm going in. I got lots to do. I'm gonna shut up. They're doing some work at my house. Yeah, it was a gift, or else I would be selling these. But it was a gift from Liquid Burns. So let's taste the waffle. Eggo. Lego my Eggo. Eggo, but these are whole wheat waffles. Whole wheat. The blue agave strip on them. Of course, you gotta take a bite of waffle and bite of chicken. I haven't done a breakfast with Luenell in a long time, so here it is. I know for you East Coast, this is like the middle of the damn day, 1 o'clock. But for me, who's actually been home for the first weekend in 17 weekends, this is part of my extended weekend. I know it's August already. What's happening, everybody? I had to scroll up. Hi, Aaron Thompson. Okay, later. Okay, later, Aaron. I'm sorry, you guys. Okay. There's all kind of work. There's work on the house next door. There's work on my house. But in the meantime, this is what I'm doing. Going back to the Mayo Clinic, no. And I'm just going to eat salad for dinner. So this is my one big meal today. I don't give a fuck what nobody say. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day today for me because I can't smoke until I eat. Just thanks. I see you. Oh, okay. Daughter went to college. Here's a shout out to all the parents whose kids are going back to school. I feel sorry for you. I'm going to tell you why. But here's a shout out to all the parents who took their kids to college. The reason I feel sorry for you about school is because, you know, it came out during the whole George Floyd thing. What we already knew was that the history that is being taught of this country is all bullshit. They haven't changed the curriculum, so now you're sending your kid back to school and they're going to continue to teach the same bullshit. If you're in the South, you can forget it. Hi, Briante. Straight lies. They're about to teach your kids straight lies. Glad I'm out of school. Glad my kid's out of school. I'm going to have a tutor when I have a grandbaby. She ain't going to public school. Fuck that. Damn. The son got COVID the first week. It is getting worse. Because in the South, they trying to not say the word slavery. And they're trying to forget about what they did. Sorry. Hold on, sis. She said, not true. In the South, black folks don't rely on the schools to teach our history. Well, I'm from the South, and I know that. And we definitely didn't with our kids, but they still have to go to school. It's the law. And when they go to school, they're being taught lies. Now, you tell me that's not the truth, Miss Secondary Lux. I'm from Arkansas, girl. I know what they do. Good. Good, you guys. Richmond, California. Ooh, Lord. Good morning, Richmond. Jacqueline, see? Yep, I'm done cooking. Never put peanut butter on my waffles, and I'm not going to try it. But I'm sure it's pretty good, but I don't want it. Good morning, Jazzy. Nope. Yeah, I have listened to Beyonce's new album. Your son's college used to be a plantation in Georgia. God damn. Tasha, C_87, good for your son, good. Yeah, clinical race theory. The fuck? Philly, I'll be there Thursday. South Carolina community was bugging. And then you can't really blame us for not having enough teachers because they don't get paid what they should. You send your badass kids to school who behave with them different than they behave with y'all. And people are straight putting their hands on teachers these days. I wouldn't teach little motherfuckers either. And I wanted to be a teacher at one point. It's just dangerous now, though. These niggas come to school with guns in their backpack. And not just the black ones. That's right. We need to get off Santa Claus, too, and get off into some Kwanzaa shit. But that's easier said than done because I do like all the colors in the tree and all that shit. But I'm going to have a thing this year. Hopefully. If I'm even around for Christmas. But real Queen Andy, didn't our parents rely on school to teach us? My parents didn't teach me shit. As far as education, when I go, well, I'm lying. My mama taught me to have good penmanship. Because she said you'll get an automatic A just for them being able to read your shit. Because most kids' penmanship is so atrocious, they'd be so glad to see something good. Random say, what? Sharon Queen Scorpio? Band's white girl from Compton. Me too, Miss Brown 203. Oh, are you in Philadelphia? Right, Pamela Brown 439. Oh, these? I am on strike. I'm on strike with my long nails until until it's time to film my Netflix special, which I may be going through Christmas like this. When I get my long nails back, you'll know it's time. I'll just be sitting here and then y'all gonna notice my nails back and be like, oh my God. But wherever we film it at, there will be on, oh shit, I'm sorry. There will be tickets on sale. And you can be at the taping if you want to. Hi, Kamisha. Chicken and waffles for breakfast, Kamisha. I made them myself. Spinach salad is delicious. I'm a chicken frying motherfucker. How your peachy treat? Pamela Brown, I'm coming to Philly on Thursday. I'll be there all weekend at Helium. You guys, I'm coming to Philly. I showed already, but this is what's left of what I'm eating. I had waffles, hash brown, egg, fried chicken, and tea. Cup provided me by Liquid Burns. And tea, y'all. No, I didn't see Angela. Oh, yeah, I did see Angela Means interview. Yeah, I did. I sure did. That was deep. No, I didn't do the air fryer. I did the skillet for the potatoes. Sorry. I don't think we'll be doing that, Thugs Love, because I don't do meet and greets anymore. I also don't discuss business. That's what I got people I pay to discuss my business. You talk to them, I'll talk to them. You can always hit me in the DMs and I'll send you my manager's information. But I'm going to tell you right now, people, guess what? I'm not booking another date for to the end of the year. Whatever's on the page, that's what's on the page and on the schedule. Not booking nothing new. To have some other surprises coming up. Oh, God. Home Believe 3, right on. Why you not at school today? Are you out here in Cali? We don't go back, I don't think, till September. I don't know. My kid's 26 years old. Yeah, the dinner was awesome. Thank you. Oh, boy. Little drumettes, you know. I really wanted my egg a little runnier, so it would run into the waffle. But oh well. Poor Kansas City, that's a shame. J_MKE said, like you could change Christmas. Sure can't. Because the white man done indoctrinated us in all the shit, so we can't change it. But you can change what you do in your own household. I'm not really trying to change Christmas. I like the lights and stuff, but I do want to pay homage to my ancestors as well. Right, they don't even have to learn cursive. How they gonna sign their names and do a contract? Lord, right. Everything is this. They don't have to do none of this. Why did I just drink smoothies all weekend? Because my house manager girl made the meal prep for me. She had a little Ziploc bag. She said, this is because I'm about to get on my daily harvest smoothie kick again. So when I just have to run out real early, like all last week, I had to be on set in Pasadena, which is about with traffic, like an hour away from here, at 7 a.m. And I didn't have time to do nothing like this. I was already getting up at 3 so I could take a bath, do my hair and have my makeup here because I got allergies and I do my own makeup and use my own brushes and my own products. Unless I really, really know the person, then I'll let them do my makeup with my brushes and with my products. But, on mornings like that, I would have a smoothie. I don't care that you think that the short nails are a better look for me. This is just temporary, honey. And I really sort of just do what I like that pleases me, you know. I've had a trademark to have long nails since 1977. I'm glad you like them. But when that special comes, you can kiss them goodbye, baby. Yeah, it's 10:44 a.m. here in LA. Exactly. I don't know 444 Truth. I don't know. Hey, Mr. Austin Powers guy. Hi, Jason. With your good ass. I want to hire you for a party when I have another one. I really do. I had your info, but DM me a number for you, Jason. Because I want to keep you on deck. You was fantastic and so funny when I met you. You're a great Austin Powers. So I make you horny, baby. Yeah. This is not the Colonel's chicken, baby. The Colonel ain't never took my recipe because he ain't never had no chicken this crispy. Hey, Jake. Yeah, that's where the chicken was fire, right? Ooh, this is giving me go back to bed vibes. But I'm not. Hello, everybody at work. No, I was not taught that. But I think Bernie Mac would be successful if he was still around. Yeah, I do. I think he would be big like Steve. And I think Bernie Mac would have gave a fuck about a cancel culture. When are they going to cancel the cancel culture? That's what I want to know. I'm drinking tea today. I don't drink anything every morning. Some days I might have tea. Some days I might have coffee. Some days I might have orange juice. Some days I might have cranberry juice. Some days I might just have water. I was not a cheer coach at Whittier ever in my life. I don't even know exactly where Whittier is. What's up, Tucson? I didn't do hot sauce this morning, you know? I don't need it all the time. I use this. I used to be on my Bobby Brown seasoning kick. I'm almost out, and Big Toast seasoning has a seasoning that's no salt. That's very, very lovely. And I'm going to tell you something else. This chicken is not fried in white flour. This chicken is fried in wheat flour and in grapeseed oil. I do what I can. I ain't on no big health kick, but I do what I can or what I want to. Oh, 2 weeks, baby. Femi 999. Have you got your ticket for 𝐂𝐿𝐼𝐍𝐄𝐒𝐒? Huh? See the entertainer. Why you took that name? I have a little, since the holidays are coming up on us, I do have a little cookbook that I'm gonna drop. That will help you with your paper bag turkey. It's getting ready to be that time, y'all. I got one left. Key out here? Yes, it does. That's right, Queen. Good penmanship, that's right. And I have beautiful penmanship in cursive and regular. And believe it or not, I want some orange juice after this. Hello, Miami. I wish I was there. I wish I owned a condo in Miami Beach. Please, Lord, before it's too late. Three X Productions. Let me think about that. I do love bath salts and stuff like that, but my social media person has said, be careful taking these gifts because everybody wants you to post and do free advertisements that other people get big money for. And I always have been posted, my whole career I posted what I like and to help black business. But at the end of the day, I'm not your normal, average, everyday motherfucker. And I don't know. Let me think about it. Hit me in DM. Tell me, let me see about it. I know I can't stand East Coast time. When I wake up regular time, like 8 a.m., which I always wake up at 5 a.m. every fucking day. I wake up at 5 a.m., but I'll lay there until 8. It's already 11 in New York. I start getting ready for my shows around 4 o'clock. 3 o'clock. I only use 4 hours of the day to do anything. But when I'm in New York, I don't stay in the city. And if I want to come in the city and go back, it's just, I don't like East Coast time. I like West Coast time. I love the East Coast now. And there ain't nothing like them East Coast men. Like me. They can handle me. These West Coast men, no. I'll tell them to shut the fuck up in a minute. But you only got so far to go with that with an East Coast guy. Ah! And I like that. East Coast men versus West Coast men. Let's go. Who's had experience with East Coast guys? Me. Who's had experience with West Coast guys? Me. I feel like West Coast guys are too affected. They all want to be on TV and shit. Oh, I'm sorry about your vegan comedy. Hi, Liquid Burn. But yeah. Hey, Boston. Sourpuss 29. Hello, Miss Worldwide International. Could I see myself as a host on The View? Absolutely not. I don't like to discuss politics. I don't like the format I'm trying to be the next black woman in late night. Haven't you heard? Yep. Yep, I made chicken and waffles this morning with hash browns and eggs. I'm done until about 6 o'clock this evening. Go. Whittier's in North? I thought Whittier was out here, honey, in LA area. It is. No, that's not no Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles. That's Luenell's Chicken and Waffles that I made this morning. See? Chicken. Don't make me eat one more. Why did you make me go over there, Liquid Burns? Why? I'll just eat the little one. Damn it. Ugh. Caroline's next week. September 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. Yeah. Oh, shit. See, this was God saying, you greedy ass bitch. I'd have knocked over my tea now, fucking with you. Only had a half a cup, but still shit. That's all right. I'll get Eliana to help me clean this up. Maybe I'll wash these placemats since I got the laundry water ran. Yep, a lot of times I do my own laundry, wash my own toilet. Not all the time, but sometimes that's going in the washing machine. Oh, good. I'm glad you... Okay, I'm glad you went. Poppin' mini-series. I'm glad you went. Hi, Jamal. You can probably get a plate if you come over here and massage me. Look out for a new Vlad interview. I interviewed Miguel Nunez last week. That should be dropping soon with his cute ass. Yeah, Miguel. Oh, it's 8 p.m. in the south of France, and you're looking at little Luenell. Well, honey. Bonsoir. You're in the Bronx. Come see me next week in Caroline. I love me a man from the Bronx. That might have been a girl, but still. The Bronx, Brooklyn, Harlem, holla at me. Yes to the East Coast man, like what Burton said. I don't mind the Southern man, but our lifestyles are too different right now. I'm from the South, but I live in LA. They don't always easily acclimate. I was just saying, if they're the sky, I like Southern men, of course. Who don't like that charm and that Southern swagger? But I'm not leaving California, so they don't always adapt to California that well. East Coast, baby. Yeah, Dirty South. I was just down in the Dirty South, baby. This time last week, I was just flying home from Arkansas. You can say what you want, big or small. It ain't nothing like a black man on a horse. That's a strong-ass horse, if you ask me. Them kids ride horses out there. When kids out here still trying to ride tricycles. Them boys, them young boys can ride a whole ass horse bareback. See, they doing construction next door. Look at burn. What up, Jacksonville? East Coast men will definitely let you shine if you want to shine. East Coast men give you a look. Baby, down here in D.C., you just talk your shit and keep walking. No, Trinette, I'm on nail strike until I do my Netflix special early next year. When you see the nails back, it's going to be time for me to do my thing. And there will be tickets on sale to wherever I'm filming it at. Me and Dave have to finish talking about that because Dave Chappelle is producing my Netflix special. And we have to talk about it. Where's my baby Dave? I already got my outfit. I already got the shoes. The whole shit. Here we go. This is who's doing my Netflix special. Here's one with, look who's in the back. Jaleel White. That's Jaleel White. Did I do that? Trying to photobomb.
Oh, wait a minute, Jaleel.
Never gonna do that. Give us a house tour. You've seen a lot of my house. You haven't seen my bedroom in full capacity. You haven't seen, I got 2 bathrooms. You haven't seen my whole living room. You haven't seen my entire backyard, as some people think they have, but it's been some changes, so. You don't like waffles, sourpuss, that's okay. I know it is, right? I got people working in my house, though. However, I held that in from the bedroom. Ooh. My cousin hasn't been here for a while. You're talking about Shay Sugar Nelson, Griffin's mom. Because her mom had got ill. She had to take care of her mother. She had to get her father situated. She had to get her kid off to college. Her best friend died. Her other friend had died. She's been going through it. We're going to keep at comedian Shay Sugar in our prayers. But hopefully she'll be back within the next 2 weeks or so. If anybody here had bought a badge, I'm not quite sure. Thank you. Look, see, there's a man right there working on the house next door. Not a man. It's like 5 men. Hi, Miami. I might be doing Breakfast Club next week when I go back. I don't know. Let me text Charlamagne as a matter of fact. And we remind him that I'm coming to motherfucking New York. Look at my daughter. She's so fucking fly. My daughter's a mess. Look. Bam. That's enough. I just came across that picture. I'm like, you little girl. Little girl. I am getting ready to start at OnlyFans soon. Not just toesies. Little toesies and some other thing. But no pussy and no nipples. So, or will there be? You have to tap in, tap in to find out. I'll give you more details later. Let me show you what Caroline's put up on their page about the last time I was there. They said something amazing. Take my horse to the old town looking motherfucking Noel. Wow. Raised in Alabama, born in California. I'm not going to read that. Caroline's on Broadway. This is the last time I was in New York. And they said one of the greatest intros ever in the history of the club. Oh shit. We got no shit. Brooklyn, Harlem. So we gotta go. Let me stop before they, That was the last time I was in New York. So, all you East Coasters, come fuck with me next week. And all my people in Philly, I'll be there on Thursday. I had a lovely weekend at home. The first weekend in 17 weekends. It's raining in Philly. Well, hopefully, it won't be raining this weekend. Yes, she does. Oh, and I'm not speaking to either one of the y'all, about whatever that is. No, I don't have a pet. My daughter does. Champagne, Poppy, Universal Pier. What a lunatic. Oh, shit. Oh, thank you. I had a ball in Ontario. On my essays and my homegirls and homeboys and batos came out to see me. And I love that because everybody who knows me knows I fuck with blacks and Mexicans and very few woke selects white folks. What is y'all talking about? I know. New York has a lot of construction. LA does too, though. I mean, get you a construction worker, ladies, because they work all the time. And especially if they work at nighttime, then they make that nighttime differential. Brr. The weather today in LA is a little overcast, but very warm still. I got fans going all over the house, which means I can't burn my candles because they blow too much. While I'm home, I'm really down with my candles. That's it. I'm getting some orange juice. Period. Like the city girls say. Oh, period. Oh. I'm out of orange juice, but I got lemonade. The cool, refreshing drink. If y'all don't know what that's from, then you're not my age. That is from, who knows what that's from? Lemonade. A cool, refreshing drink. Who said that and what's it from? I bet you know. Some OGs out there know. I know it's out in Florida. Yeah. Why do they need to replace Angela on Breakfast Club? She leaving to start her own show, so. See? Thank you. My baby got that drip. Okay, so I was going to text Charlemagne, right? See, Philly? It's on my page. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. See, Philly? There it is at Helium. Oh, Sab for Real Love? Okay, yeah. I'll be back there next week. I'm a snack? J_MKE says I'm a snack. Oh, I wish I was a snack. Those were the good old days. But now these motherfuckers want to be all up in my business. And here's Caroline's. Okay, A.G. White from motherfucking Brooklyn. Thank you, Brooklyn's finest. Rolanda White. Rolanda had her own TV show before Oprah, thank you very much. And then me. Caroline's on Broadway. Do you guys know that Caroline's is so iconic? It's the club that everybody strives to get on stage at. They wasn't fucking with me at all. But guess who put me on stage at Caroline's my very first time? The very late, the very great Paul Mooney. Mooney's the first person to put me on stage. I'm going to text this to Charlemagne. I know she's everything. I might be coming to Atlanta for the Red Fox. There's a Red Fox tribute going on at the Atlanta Comedy Theater. I might be going to that because they gave me an award before. And I support them. They're raising funds for Red Fox to get a statue like Richard Pryor has one in Peoria. And I support that. Show me. Yo, what's up? Period. Coming to your town next week. Period. You have any room for me? Question mark. Even if not, will you come see me in one of my 6 shows? Question mark. Envy and his wife should come too. And I'm going to put some bray in hand. Ain't too proud to beg. Ain't that what the song said? Ain't too proud to beg. But I ain't begging for shit. I'm just making a suggestion. I used to beg for shit. I don't really beg for shit anymore. I don't beg. I ask the Lord. And this is, yay or nay. According to what he say. Or she. Right, MM? That's what I said. Yeah. Let me tell you something about hard-working men. 444 Truth said construction workers get paid and they're hard-working men. Let me tell you something about a hard-working man. A man who does stuff like this, or them construction worker men, or men that climb telephone poles, or men that go up in roofs and down in basements and underground and stuff like that. Them type of men, don't give them no shit, because them motherfuckers work hard and they only want 4 things. Meat, potatoes, titties, and pussy. You give them all of that, you ain't gonna have no problems, honey. But if a motherfucker go, real queen, Nandi won my question contest. Real Queen Nandi, I'm gonna pin you. That's the winner. When I said lemonade, that cool, refreshing drink. Eddie Murphy, yeah, raw, MM. Of course you would know. Yeah, you guys, she's the first one I saw. Here you guys go. My favorite overseas show was probably in Japan. For the military. They're a great audience. They think everybody beautiful because I ain't seen nobody with bitches in uniform, and they're missing their wives and their girlfriends, so they really treated me nice. And I love to do military shows. Yep. Yay. Yes, Mr. Worldwide _ Don J. I did eat breakfast and everybody watched it. You can go back and watch this one too and see what I did, because it was something. What do you mean what happened to Eddie Murphy? Eddie getting ready to start filming something I can't tell you. Oh, thank you. Hey, she's a mess. Ooh. Wouldn't that be something? I think Amanda would fit good there, better than on the fucking talk or whatever. Amanda, Charlemagne, and DJ Envy. Well, you know, Amanda forever getting into it with somebody, or I should say they getting into it with her. I would hate to see her and Charlemagne not get along. I would love it if they would, and that would be fire. Oh shit, TSU. Go ahead, Sapphire Stallion. No, it got done. I trimmed it on the sides and shit. I'm gonna re-bleach it before I come to Philly. But it's right here. Girls for the girls. I just had a conversation yesterday with somebody about the homeless community. In the United States, Los Angeles, everywhere that got a huge homeless community like this, there ought to be a motherfucking shame of themselves. But why do you think they give a fuck about the homeless? They don't give a fuck about nobody else. They don't give a fuck about the gays. They don't give a fuck about black. They don't give a fuck about trans. They don't give a fuck about Mexicans. Do you think homeless get a motherfucking pass? No. This government don't care about no motherfucking body. We should not have a single Vietnam veteran homeless and on the street. Now, I understand they might be mental, because it's one thing to leave your comfort of your mom's house and go to the military and learn how to kill motherfuckers and stuff like that and come back. Now you got a wife and 3 kids. You don't even know one of them's yours. You're under stress. They need more mental health for street people and more housing, which there's plenty of, because you see boarded up shit every day that could be renovated. And then you can't just take a homeless person and throw them in a house. They'll just hoard up the house, some of them. So maybe they should go into a place with a house manager or something like that. But there's living in these tents. And then there's those who want to be out there and like it out there, and they should have to get the fuck off the street too. You can't just live on the street. voluntarily. You can, but you shouldn't want to. It's cold and it's rainy and it's dangerous and it's nasty. Drug infested, rat infested. Like, get the fuck out of here. But that's where the mental health comes in. So, anyway. Do I think I would go to Arizona? Go to Arizona and do what? Because I already go to Arizona and pretend. I go to Arizona and perform. I don't think I'm cooking turkey this, I don't think I'm cooking the dinner this year. I don't know. It depends on what my daughter wants. Whatever the fuck she wants, that's what I'm going to do. But I have already posted the entire process here on my Instagram. You just have to go back to like December 23rd or 24th and you'll see it. The whole process of how I did it. And I'm going to be coming out with something closer to the holidays that you can buy and you'll have the recipe at home, maybe $2.99, something like that. And yeah, but I don't think I'm going to do it this year, even though I could. I don't know. It depends on what my daughter wants. Oh, Chevelle O'Rourke, he is happily with 2 kids. I used to want, do I love military men too? I used to want a military man. I'm like, ooh, he fighting for our country. He know how to use a gat legal. He get a GI loan for a home. And he would appreciate me, and he'd be gone, and they come home. I used to want one, but then no. You think her and Charlamagne would get along? I would want them to. I really would. Construction job woman, Princess Liga. I know that's right. See, Evretta Sky say, my dad was a hard-working man. He retired from a company making cylinders like oxygen cylinders. He never finished high school, made more money than my mom, but she's a retired nurse. Right, my mom was a retired nurse. I've already explained the male thing, so you're late. Talk to Rhea, can we please? Can I go see him? I don't go to the military. There's a lot of clearance and stuff that has to be done before you go there, and they send for me. I don't go. New t-shirts will be on their way. I'm going to post about that soon. Let me ask about that as a matter of fact. I don't know if I can make a call while I got the Do Not Disturb on. Oh, I can't wait to get to New York. TV show is